Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Capture Lens Media. Today we are showing background removal in Photoshop. Before that, take a look at the intro. Let's get straight into Photoshop. Before get started, please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. You will get After Effects and graphic tutorials every week. Select Marquee tool. Now you can view Select and Mask option in optional panel or go to Select menu, there get Select and Mask option. Click that option. You can see some options in right side. Click View Mode, you get some modes. Now I am selecting Onion Skin mode. Give transparency value to 25%. Also increase the radius value. Check the Smart Radius option. Then go to Option panel, click the Select Subject button. Now you can see the boy image visible without background. Select Zoom tool and zoom the image. The edges are little bit sharp. Edit some values in global refinement. Increase the smooth value and look at the edges. Also increase the contrast value. Now image edges are perfect. Next, we can edit the hair part. Select the Refine Edge brush. Click and drag the hair edge part. Don't drag over the head. Now hair edge details are visible. If you want to adjust the brush size, press Open and close brackets. After editing, scroll down Options. You can see Output setting. Click the Output drop down, select New Layer. Then hit OK. Now you got the image without background in New Layer.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share videos. Subscribe channel for more videos.